Alright guys, I'm back with the Easy Accent Decorated. I cleaned it out and I put in my pimento cheese. I made pimento cheese for my deviled eggs and I added the yolks to it. I will post that recipe too. I just love this recipe. We put olives in it, if you can see, instead of pimentos. We put olives with the pimentos and they are delectable. I made my hard-boiled eggs in the quick cooker, which just takes 12 minutes and a quick release, and then an ice bath, and they're ready to peel, and they peel so easy, very quick. So I'm gonna do my deviled eggs here with the Easy Accent Decorator, and they turn out so pretty. Comes right out. Can you guys see that? Very quick and easy and pretty. I didn't get all the yolk out of that one. Okay, and I'm gonna put this right back into my bowl because I wanna show you how easy this thing is to clean. You just take it apart and the whole thing goes right in the dishwasher. So this bottom part comes off and the accent or the design part, and then this part just comes off. You pull this up and pops out. You can clean this extra egg mixture out and it all goes in the dishwasher. Easy peasy. See how pretty they are? I think Steve and I will eat these for lunch today. All right, yay for fall products. Love the Easy Accent Decorator.